new trending AI retro style vintage photo editing prompts. So if you want to use the new trending AI retro style vintage photo editing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up Gemini application. After opening your Gemini, you need to go with the plus, which is on the bottom left, and then go with gallery and select your picture that has your face in it. Once you've selected, you need to enter your prompt. So you need to enter the prompt which looks like this. You can also just go and take a screenshot of this prompt. If you want to add some details, you can also add some details if you want to, some more details, and then go with send, which will be on the right side. And once you've sent, it will take a few minutes to create the retro style vintage photo, and it will be ready. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.